Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to find aesthetic RP symbols. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and search here aesthetic RP symbols, and now open this first website. And inside of this website you will get unlimited aesthetic RP symbols. Or you can click on this menu icon and you can select any items from the menu. And for example, I'm going to use these aesthetic RP symbols, so simply click above the symbol you want to use and you will get the symbol here. So I want to use the symbol to my Facebook nickname, so I'm going to clicking above the symbols, and after clicking the symbol, and here symbol will attach, and now we need to copy. Simply click on copy, and now I'm going to putting the aesthetic symbol here. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.